How to draw the Mr. Beast logo, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, we're just going to begin by drawing a simple lightning bolt by drawing a line that is going from left to right. This line should be fairly straight. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Now the right side of the lightning bolts will not be as pointy as the left side because the right eye will be attached to the side where there's an opening. And at the end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now on the right side where we just drew that small line, we're going to draw the eye, so be sure to be very careful because this part is very tedious. Now if you're all done with that step, let's continue. If not, feel free to pause the video. Now for this step, we're going to draw the outline of the top of the head, beginning on the left hand side, then going over to the right, and then lastly, connecting both sides with the middle. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. So the space on the top left hand side of the head will be the ear of our beast, so for a little bit of detail, I'm going to draw a sideways T that is facing the right hand side. So for the next step, we're going to want to begin to draw the bottom of the face, beginning on the left hand side by drawing a big long piece of hair with 3 sharp pieces attached, starting from the lightning bolt right beneath the ear. Nicely done! So far this is coming along very well. For the next step, let's go to the top point on the right side of the head and let's begin to draw the snout of our beast. This part is a little difficult to explain, so be sure to pause the video and rewind as you need to. Now before we draw the nose on the snout, let's go ahead and draw the opening of the mouth by drawing a curved line attached to the bottom point where we first stopped for the snout. Now we're not going to draw the teeth on the inside of the mouth just yet. Let's move to the inside of the snout and draw the nose by drawing a small circle with a second small circle on the inside of it that is completely filled in black. Now that we have the nose drawn, let's go right below and draw the teeth that I previously mentioned. We're going to draw 2 teeth on the top of the mouth and 2 on the bottom, along with the tongue as well. Each of the teeth that we draw will look similar to sharp triangular shapes. Wow, we're almost finished. We just have a few more steps that we still have to go through. So now we're going to want to connect the left side of the bottom of the head to the right side of where we just finished. Now everything else from this point will just be to add in additional detail. If you want to skip to the end of the video and color in and then add the detail later, then that's okay as well. If not, let's continue and add in the detail together. And don't forget that at the end of today's video, I'll show a completely finished colored version of my drawing just in case you want to pause and match your colors as well. This is how to draw the Mr. Beast logo. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub, and if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like, comment down below, and subscribe so that you can stay up to date with all the latest content. And don't forget to comment your drawing requests down below so that I can see them and draw them for you. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time! Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.